What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a deep dive into a product that completely changed how I camp and handle power outages. We're talking about the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 with its killer 2x200W solar panels. If you've ever wanted to run almost anything outdoors or keep your home safe during a blackout, you need to watch this. Stick around, because this review is packed with all the details. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more awesome content. Unleash your adventure. Why the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 is the ultimate power solution for camping. Are you tired of compromising on power when you escape into the wild? Do you dream of having all the comforts of home? Blenders for campfire margaritas, a coffee maker for that morning brew, or a projector for an outdoor movie night, without the noise and fumes of a gas generator? Your search ends here. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 with 2x200W solar panels is revolutionizing outdoor power and home backup. This isn't just another battery. It's a complete, portable power ecosystem designed for freedom, safety, and reliability. Let's explore why this powerhouse is a must-have for your next adventure. What makes this solar generator so powerful? At its heart, this generator is a beast disguised in a compact body. With a massive 2042 kWh capacity and a 2200 W output, it can run 96% of your essential appliances, from your camping fridge and electric grill to your laptop and CPAP machine. The inclusion of a USB-C PD 100W port means you can even fast charge your latest gadgets without any clunky adapters. But the real magic happens when you pair it with the included solar panels for camping. Harness the sun's energy to keep your power station charged, making you truly off-grid and independent. You will find the link to the product in the description below if you want to check it out. Why you need this for camping and beyond. Ultimate portability and freedom. Forget heavy, cumbersome power stations. Weighing just 39.5 lbs, the Explorer 2000 V2 is 41% lighter and 34% smaller than competitors. It's the smallest and lightest in its class, meaning it fits perfectly in your RV or car trunk without sacrificing an inch of your gear space. Its revolutionary cell-to-body (CTB) technology ensures a rugged and secure structure built for the road. Multiple, lightning-fast charging options. Never be left in the dark. AC. Charging. Charge to 80% in just 66 minutes. Solar charging. Get a full charge in about 6 hours with the 400 Ws of included solar panels. Silent charging. Need to charge overnight? A full, ultra-quiet 30 dB charge takes only 5 hours, so you can sleep soundly. Unbeatable safety and reliability. This is where Jackery truly shines. The advanced Life PO4 battery is built to last for 10 years and operates silently with zero fumes. It's perfectly safe for indoor use, making it not just for camping, but also an essential home backup during power outages and emergencies caused by storms or hurricanes. Seamless power supply. With a 20 mm UPS, uninterruptible power supply. Feature: this unit is certified to keep your sensitive devices, like computers and medical equipment, running without a single glitch during a blackout. It's peace of mind in a box. If this is sounding like the solution you've been looking for, all the links are in the description. And please subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Why choose Jackery over others on Amazon? The market is flooded with options, but the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 stands tall for a reason. It combines cutting-edge CTB technology, borrowed from electric vehicles, a proven safety record with UL certification, and Jackery's reputation as a market leader. While other products might offer similar specs, none deliver this powerful combination of lightweight design, blazing fast charging, and robust safety features in one package. Power your passion without limits. Whether you're a weekend warrior seeking the perfect camping setup, an RVer exploring the country, or a homeowner preparing for the next emergency, this solar generator is your key to independence. Don't just go off-grid, thrive there. Embrace the freedom, silence, and clean power that only the sun can provide. Alright, that's my full review. What do you guys think? Is this the ultimate portable power station? Let me know in the comments below. Ready to transform your adventures? You can find the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 on Amazon. I've left the link for you in the video description. If you got any value from this video, it would mean the world to me if you could smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!